Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Mech Insider. Today's video is about making a keyway slot on lathe. So this is a milling cutter and this is a shaft which we are going to make a slot on this. So slot to be made here and this is a key for which we are making a slot. So the width of the key and the milling cutter diameter should be same so that we make a same width slot. And we are going to fix a shaft here like this. We are making a clamp to fix the shaft here and moving this shaft against a rotating milling cutter and in this motion to make a milling slot. This is the angle which you are going to use for making a clamp, and we are cutting this angle here. I am considering as 8 inches. That depends on the size of your tool post. So this gap will be welding this part here so that we can clamp easily. This gap is filled, so we'll be welding here. So this angle we have welded here from inside. This thing will be fixing like this. You can see a gap in this thing aligned with the shaft. I have markings here for the center. Now U-bolt, you can fix a U-bolt so that to hold the shaft. So these angles, it is a 20 mm apart from this face, from here also these two. So these two angles will be supporting for clamping. So we'll be putting a U-clamp here, we'll place a shaft here, we'll be placing shaft here and holding the shaft with a U-clamp or U-bolt, you can tell, like this, and tightening from the back side. Actually you can take U-bolt, I have this clamp right now, so I'll be putting, so I have made a hole according to this clamp for clamping the shaft. Okay. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.